So you can start. Start with that. Sure.
My favorite holiday, my favorite holiday is New Year. I love spending this holiday with family. Mom together with dad prepare salads and cake. My sister and decorate the Christmas tree and the house. We have to Sir New Year කියන්නේ අවුරුද්ද නේද?
Repeat New Year කියන අලුත් අවුරුද්ද. New Year නේ.
එතකොට සර් මේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ ක්‍රිස්මස් ට්‍රී කියලා.
Sorry.
මේ තියනවානේ මේ ක්‍රිස්මස් ට්‍රී කියලා.
Christmas.
ට්‍රී.
ඔව් පුතේ දැන් අපිට New Year කියන්නේ ඒප්‍රල් උනාට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් foreign context එක තුල New Year කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ ඒප්‍රල් නෙමෙයිනේ. ඒක දෙසැම්බර් වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. ඒතර ක්‍රිස්මස් ට්‍රී එකක් තියෙනවා New Year එකට.
හරි සර්. Christmas tree and the house. We have so much fun. We invite relatives and together with them celebrate the holiday. Me and all my family fun. I like when I and my sister make fine gifts. In holiday I eat a lot of sugar. I like him the most. Finish, sir. Finish, sir.
Okay පුතා very good. Okay yes. දෙන්න පුතේ.
දෙන්නද?
හරි ෂුවර් පුතේ. පටන් ගන්න.
My father is Tishanta. He is 33 years old. He is from Piliyandala. He is an electrician. He is very handsome. His favorite food is ice cream. His favorite drink is orange juice. He likes playing cricket. I love him very much. Sir?
Yes පුතා. Yes very good. Yes.
හරි sir.
Okay පුතා very good. Okay පුතේ ඕනම කෙනෙක්ට ඕනම තැනකින් ඕන දෙයක් රීඩින් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. තාම ටියුට් එක දැන් මේ දෙවෙනි ටියුට් එක දීලා නැති නිසා දැන්ට පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක් බලාගෙන ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකෙන් එසේ එකක් ඕන දෙයක් පාඩම් දෙන්න. රීඩින් ඩයලොග් එකක් පුළුවන් ඕන දෙයක්.
Thank you, sir.
Okay පුතා welcome. Yes others any of you can give anything ready වෙච්ච ගමන් පුතේ කිව්වා දුන්නා ඉපන් කරමු.
Sir, Mama another reading.
Sure පුතේ තරුෂා. තරුෂා no? Okay තරුෂා. Okay තරුෂා. Sure තරුෂා start. අර තරුෂිත් ඉන්නේ මම ඒකට පැටලුණා. Okay තරුෂා. Start.
My name is Piruli. I live in Panadura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruini and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink most. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be scientist one day.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay.
One day.
Yes, Buddha, very good, very good. Yes, who else? Tava kaudra see. Ready?
Sir, may I speak now?
Sure, start Buddha. Start, for sure, start.
Sir, story ka. The greedy dog. There was a dog that was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere and at last he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. When he started crossing, he saw reflection in the water. The dog thought that
there was another dog with a bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So he started barking at his own reflection. His bone fell in water. As soon as he opened his mouth, the greedy dog lost his bone. Moral of the story: don't be greedy. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Even. Putih, start kan? Meturu. මෙතුරු මට කෝල් එකක් ආවම ඒකට ආන්සර් කරනවා හිටියේ මෙතුරු ඕකේ ෂුවර් ස්ටාර්ට් පුතා
මම කිව්වා මුලින්ම
හරි පුතේ හරි කවුද එන ඊළඟට ලෑස්ති පුතේ ඕක ලිටරසි දිනුති ඕක ලිටරසි
ඕන කෙනෙක්ට දෙපාරක් වුණත් දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද
ඕන තරම් වාර සංඛ්‍යාවක් අනික් කෙනෙක් ලෑස්ති වෙනකම් ඔයා පුළුවන් තරම් දෙන්න තව කෙනෙක් රෙඩි කියනකම් ඔයා දෙන්න ඕන තරම් රෙඩි ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ yes දිනුති
කියන්නද
sure
libraries with the spread of literacy libraries have become essential tools for learning public instruction is making rapid progress everywhere in Pakistan. It is no more the privilege of the well-to-do only to acquire knowledge as it was not so very long ago. There are schools and colleges in almost every part of the country. 21st century dawns with a sure promise to be century of peace and educational explosion. Naturally, when there is thirst for knowledge, there is also an ever-increasing demand for books and magazines. Everybody does not have the means to buy books of all sort. Mass education program is bound to suffer adversely if there are no free libraries for students.
okay Buta, very good okay who is next yes පුතේ
යන්නද ආයෙ පාරක්
sure පුතේ අනිවාර්යයෙන් පුළුවන් වාට ඕන තරම් පුළුවන්
My school is Makandana Sri Sudarshana Model School. It is in Makandana. It is a good school. It is a very big school. My school principal is Pathum Silva. My class teacher is
Shamani Pereira Miss. My school has a ground, a library and canteen. It is very beautiful. I love my school.
Very good, dah. Really good.
Sir, I'm reading another.
Okay, Buddha, sure.
Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters Sharon and Rebecca are playing on a seesaw. Situli is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream.
Okay, Buddha, very good, dah. Yes. Who else wants? පුතේ නිම්සරි ඕනම දෙයකින් රීඩින් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක් බලාගෙන වාට පොතකින් ඕන දෙයක් බලාගෙන එසේ එකක් බලාගෙන හරි කමන්නේ. මතකයෙන් නම් මතකයෙන් ඕන ක්‍රමයකට. Yes, who is ready now? If ready, anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
මම මෙත්තිරු ආය කියන්නද කමක් නැද්ද?
කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ පුතේ. ඕන තරම් chance එකක් දෙනවා.
My mother is Nisansala. She is 30 years old. She is from Piliyandala. She is a housewife. She is very beautiful. Her favorite is rice. Her favorite drink is tea. She likes reading books. I love her very much.
Very much. Okay, sure. Very good, dah. පුතේ ඕන කෙනෙක්ට ලෑස්ති නම් second time, third time ඕන තරම් සංඛ්‍යාවක් chance එක දෙනවා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. Oh, පුතේ.
Sir, I'm speaking.
Sure. May I speak? Okay, sure. You can ask, may I speak? Okay, then you can start. Sure.
Long ago, the city of Benares of the capital of India. At that time, India was also known as Dambadiva. The king of this city was Brahmadatta. He had one son who was very weak like a snake. The prince became enraged when a person committed any offense. He very often suckled and succeeded those who spoke to him. Everybody had revered him. King Brahmadatta reigned in the city of Benares.
Finish, miss. Sorry, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Okay. Yes. Who is next? Who is next? මම chances දෙනවා පුතේ. ඔයගලට ඕන තරම් කතා කරන්න. එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. කතා කරන්න එපා දෙම්බ ඇති ඒවා නීති නෑ. Sure පුතා. Sure Mathili start.
Television. Television is one of the most popular devices that are used for entertainment all over the world. It was invented by John Logie Baird. It has become quite common nowadays, and almost every household has one television set at their place. The invention of television gave us various benefits. It was helpful in providing the common man with a cheap made of entertainment. Thank you.
Okay පුතා. Very good.
Sir, may I speaking?
Sure පුතා මේ දිනු තිය අරක Amphon. Mathila. Okay, sure Mathila can start. Mathila or Nethmi? Who is next?
Mosquitoes. Father, mother, sister, brother sleep on the bed. Mosquitoes peep thought the holes in the net. Seize. They make noise. They have to wait out all the night. Finish, sir.
Now Mathila, you now.
Sir, මම කාලා තිබ්බේ කලින් එකට සර්. දැනුයි සර්ට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ.
Then okay, sure. Who is next? Who is ready?
So can I start now?
Sure Buddha.
A cyclone, when a storm violently rounds the center, it is termed a cyclone. It moves at a high speed ranging from 40 to 100 or more kilometers per hour. A cyclone may occur anytime and at any place. The violent
Yes, Buddha.
The violet types of cyclone usually hit the tropics. The cyclone of Bangladesh generally originates from the Bay of Bengal and blows towards the land. Finish, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Who is next? Mathila, you can start.
Okay, sir. Cricket. Cricket is a very famous game. It can be played by men, women, and children of all ages. It is an outdoor game which requires a bat, ball, and stumps. It is usually played on a field by two teams, and the team that scores more runs wins the game. Umpires are also present to give a fair decision and stop arguments. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good.
Sir, may I speaking?
reading දෙන්නද?
Today next Nethmi අහලා තියෙන Nethmiට පස්සේ ඔයා කවුරුද වෙන හරි
අරුෂ
හරි පුතේ Nethmiට පස්සේ පුතේ Nethmi වට මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා තිබ්බොත් අරුෂ එකයි හොඳේ මැසේජ් එකක් දැම්මත් මම දෙනවා chance එකක් ඩක් කරලා මැසේජ් එකක් හරි
our picnic. One day we went to the beach in the morning. My father, mother, sister, brother, and I. We went by a van. We sat on the beach and had sweets with tea. Then we changed our dresses and ran to the sea. We swam and played till late. Then we came out and had a bath and changed the wind dresses. And we had lunch in the afternoon. Then we came back home in the evening when the sun was setting. We were tired. We went to bed early that night. Finish, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Yes, now you, Tarusha.
It is fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friend Vignesh, Situlip, Crispy and Amanda are in the park with their families. Crispy is climbing up a rope ladder. Is his little brother Nice is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. Finish.
Okay, Buddha, sure. Yes, who is next? Who is next?
Sir, may I speaking?
Sure, Buddha, sure, let me.
Everybody in the place, as well as others in the city, disliked him because of his evil ways. He was like a devil. Therefore, he was called the Wicked Snake Prince. One day, the prince, along with his servants, went to bath in the river. There were dark clouds, and soon it began to rain very heavily. We commanded his servants to take him to the middle of the river and bathe him. They began to converse secretary among themselves. Finish, sir.
Buddha, very good. Okay, sure. Yes, who is next? No one had put a message. Or get to pulang reading then. No, yeah.
Sir, may I speak next?
Okay, Buddha, sure.
Okay. Zoo. A zoo is a place where humans get a chance to get a closer look at animals. All kinds of animals, birds and insects living in the zoo. When kids visit zoos, they learn many things about the animals living there. Zoos serve as a way to bring the wild closer to humans. There are some zoos which have rare species of animals living there. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, who is next? Tarushi, Are you ready? Tarushi king ahiye. Ready the?
Sir,
Yes, Puta, let me.
may I speak in?
May I speak, Puta? May I speak? Sure, you can start.
My country is Sri Lanka. It is an island. There are 9 provinces and 25 districts in my country. The capital of the country is Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte. Sri Lanka is an agricultural country. It is a development country. The country has long history, more than 2,500 years. My country is internationally famous for cricket. King Vijay was the first king of the country. Sri Lanka was introduced as the granary of the East by the foreigners. Sri Lanka exports tea, rubber, and coconut and imports many industrial goods. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Who's the next one? Buddha, anyone can talk now. Who's the next one? If someone ready, put a message or just talk. Who's the next one?
Teacher මං කියන්නද?
Okay, sure. Start, Buddha. Tarushi.
My village is Piliyandala. It is in Colombo district. It is a big village. There are school and many shops in my village. There is a temple and a hospital and a post office and no and railway stations, etc. Most for the people in my village
Are there any trades in Piliyandala? Okay, continue.
They want to chat to it. Sorry.
No, Buddha, Tarushi.
farmers.
Tarushi,
My village is beautiful. My village is clean. I love my village. Thank you.
Okay, Tarushi, very good. Netmi, you can start. You have put a message. Okay, after Netmi, I give the chance to Imaya Chaturdi. Now, Netmi start.
Okay, miss. Speaking of the prince, they said he is a miserable sinner and a nuisance to us. Let's drown him here and go. The other servant asked them where the prince was. They replied, asking, didn't he return to the shore? He bathed with us. It was dark and raining heavily. We thought the prince had swam to the shore before us. It was raining cats and dogs, and there was nothing they could do. They could not conduce a search for him. Finally, they returned to the place and informed the king. Finish, miss.
Okay, Netmi, very good. Pute, there's a mistake. When we are saying could, we are not sounding that L. It is silent, okay? Just could, not could. Okay, very good. Imaya, you can start.
Okay, teacher. I can't believe tomorrow is my last day here. Gronet Rachel Walker. She was staying for a week's holiday with her friend Christy Tate at the Tate's house in Weatherbury. The girls had so many adventures together. They know it was going to
be difficult to say
Mhm.
goodbye. Finish, teacher.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, now I'm here. Yes, who is next? Who is ready? You can speak. Huh?
May I?
Which one? Which one? Then क्या हुआ? Which one?
Sir, මම තමයි මුලින්ම ඇහුවේ.
හරි මකිල. Okay. පුතේ message එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් ඕන කෙනෙක්ට මට ටක් ගාලා ඊතර බලලා දෙනවා message එකට නුවත්.
Save trees and save planet Earth. Noise and air pollution are controlled by trees. Fine particles present in the air are trapped by trees in their leaves and bark, making the air we breathe cleaner. It is a wise idea to own small plants in our houses. Most industries like paper, rubber, medicine industries, and their employees are dependent on trees and their products. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Who is next? කවුද දැන් අර ඊළඟට අහුවේ කෙනා?
තරුෂ කියන්නද?
නරෝෂ ශුවපති start කරන්න. very good. ඩා හරි. කියලා දැන් forward නියමයි. හරි start කරන්න පුතේ.
I am Patum. My class is grade 6. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lot of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and the teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color and there is steel cupboard. In the corner of the room there is a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to cupboard. There is no cleaning fan, but there are 2 big windows. Finish.
Okay, Buddha. Yes, who is next? Yes, any of you ready?
Excuse me, sir. Monday කීයට දෙන්න ඕනේ?
Hmm.
Christy told her friend, I don't think I will ever forget this week. Will you, Rochelle? Shoo. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
මම කියන්නද?
දැන් ඔයා read කර කර හිටියා නේද?
ඔව්
හරි. Sure. Sure.
ඇහෙනවද sir?
ඇහෙනවා මදි පුතේ.
දැන් ඇහෙනවද?
Okay පුතා.
It's been such fun having you two stay, Christy told her friend. I don't think I will ever forget this week. Will you, Rochelle? Shook her head. No way. She arrayed family. The two friends smiled at each other. It had been a very busy week. A snowy, windy, coldy, sunny, misty week. Thanks to Jack Frost and his naughty goblins. The goblins had stolen the 7 magic tail feathers from Doodle,
Mhm.
the fairyland weather
trail
Mm-hmm.
and taken one each into the Hammam vault. The feathers were used by the weather fairies to control the weather, so the goblins were stirring up all kinds of trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Finish, sir.
Okay, පුතා. පුතේ නම් ඉන්නේ තරුෂ. තරුෂට පස්සේ විමාශා, විමාශට පස්සේ මතිල. අර මට දාන්න. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, මට තියෙන පිළිවෙලට මම දෙන්නේ. Okay, තරුෂ. මැසේජ් පිළිවෙලට දැම්මේ.
My favorite storybook is Madoduwa. It is novel written by famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of
Mischievous. පුතේ mischievous.
things and often get into trouble, but later Upali becomes a kind, hard-working young man who helps people. It is enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Finish.
Very good, පුතා. දැන් ඉන්නේ විමාශා, විමාශා ඊට පස්සේ මතිල, මතිලට පස්සේ නෙත්මි. මට මැසේජස් දාපු පිළිවෙලට මම මේ දෙන්නේ. තරුෂිවා තාම කතා කරගෙන තරුෂි ලෑස්ති වෙන්න තරුෂි. තරුෂි කතා කළාලු මං sorry දැන් එක්කේ නෑ තරුෂි. Okay. Now විමාශා. විමාශා, මතිල, නෙත්මි. Yes, විමාශා. නෑ ඕනේ හරිනේ විමාශානේදී ඉවර කරේ දැන්. නෑ නේ තරුෂනේ. Okay, විමාශා ඊළඟට විමාශා. විමාශා. Okay, විමාශා ready නැත්නම් මතිල පුළුවන්. මතිල.
Yes, sir. May I speak next?
Sure, පුතා.
Aeroplane. The aeroplane is a wonderful invention. It was invented by Wright brothers. It flies in the sky. All cannot fly in a plane. Only rich people can fly in it. They often travel in it. There is a row in the front part of the plane. He directs it behind the seat of the pilot. There are seats for the passengers. Aeroplanes fly very fast. Some of them are used in wars also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now ඉන්නේ කවුද බලමු දැන් දාලා තින්නේ. Okay, විමාශා. Okay, විමාශා. විමාශාට පස්සේ බලන්න පුළුවන්. විමාශා, නෙත්මි ඊට පස්සේ දිනුති. ඊට පස්සේ මායා. Okay.
Let's protect water. Water is a gift of nature. All living beings need water. Water comes to the earth as rain. This rain fills wells, rivers, and oceans. Water quenches the thirst of all the living beings. It helps plants to grow. People ask water for cooking, bathing, and washing. People and animals can live for a few days without food. Why they can't live like that without water? Nowadays, people do not think much about water. They dirty the source of water, so water gets polluted.
Hmm?
This results in shortage of clean water for people to drink. People fall ill when they drink polluted water. We all must protect water to be healthy and happy. Thank you.
Okay පුතා දැන් මට messages අනුව ඉන්නේ ඊළඟට විමාශයට පස්සේ විමාශා දැන් මතිල ස්පීක් කළා නේද? නෙත්මි ඉන්නවා එතකොට දිනුති ඉමායා තරුෂ.
Sir, can I speaking?
Sure. Can I speak? Can I speak? Sure.
When I went into the kitchen, Mom invited me to sit down, which made me go all sick, feeling again. Cause normally you can just sit down in your own house without being asked. Then she said this thing really carefully that sounded like she had been practicing it in her head all night, which was Lassie, as I'm sure you are aware, the events of last night were completely unacceptable. It's a question of your safety, and when I think what could have happened. Finish, sir.
Okay පුතා පුතේ පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න දැන් ඊළඟට ඉන්නේ කවුද බලමු දිනුති ඉමායා තරුෂ ඔය ටික ඉන්නේ අනේ පුතේ මතිල බාගෙට කතා කරත් තමයි බාගිල නවත්තු වෙලාවක මම ඊළඟට chance එක දීලා දෙන්නේ. එයාගේ mic එක off වෙලා. හොඳේ. ඊළඟට මතිලට දීලා chance එක මතිලගෙන් පස්සේ දිනුති ඉමායා තරුෂ තමයි ඉන්නේ.
ඊළඟට මම කියන්නද?
ඉමාෂා ඒ කට්ටිය උරම හරි ෂුවර් පුතේ ෂුවර්. හරි පුතේ දැන් මතිල
Sir,
yes ඉමායා
මම chat එක දැන් පොඩක් බලන්න ඕනද?
මම බැලුවා පුතේ බලන ගමන් ඉන්නේ.
සර් මම කියන්නද?
ඕකේ මතිල ඊට පස්සේ මතිලට පස්සේ කවුද දිනුති ඊට පස්සේ ඉමායා ඊට පස්සේ විමාෂා. ඕකේ ඉමායා.
සර් මම නේද කියන්නේ?
ඔව් පුතේ ඔයා බාගෙට කිව්වනේ ඉක්මන් කරලා දාන්න. ඕකේ ෆිනිෂ් කරලා දාන්න.
Aeroplane. The aeroplane is a wonderful invention. It was invented by Wright brothers. It flies in the sky. All cannot fly in a plane. Only rich people can fly in it. They often travel in it. There is a room in the front of part of the plane. He directs it behind the seat of the pilot. There are seats for the passengers. Airplanes fly very fast. Some of them are used in wars also. Warplanes are called fighters and bombers. They are used against enemies. They destroy buildings and factories of the enemies. So, aeroplane is both useful and harmful. Thank you.
ඕකේ පුතා next chance එක තියෙන්නේ දැන් දිනුති ඊට පස්සේ ඉමායා විමාෂා නෙත්මි. ඔය ඕඩර් එකට යමු කට්ටියම. හරි. දිනුති ඉමායා විමාෂා නෙත්මි. තරුෂ
ඉන්නේ
තරුෂ ඊළඟට ඉන්නේ. තරුෂ කීයටද ඉන්නේ? තරුෂ ඊළඟට තරුෂ ස්ටාර්ට් කරනු දෙන්න. හරි තරුෂ ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්න තරුෂ. ඕනේ තරුෂ මැසේජ් දැම්මනේ මට අමතකුණා නේද? තරුෂ ෂුවර්. තරුෂ ස්ටාර්ට්.
I am Pubudu Pereira. I am in grade 6. I like garden and reading books. In my free time, I have a small garden in my home. There are different types of vegetable and fruit in my garden. I work in the garden with my mother and father. Finish.
Okay පුතා now දිනුති you can start. yes දිනුතිට පස්සේ ඔයා පුතේ හොඳේ.
ඒක තමයි මට ස්පෝකන් ක්ලාස් එකේ ටියුට් 1 කියලා ටියුට් එකක් තියෙනවා.
තියනවද?
ඔව්.
හරි ඒකේ ඕන දෙයක් පාඩම් දෙන්න පුළුවන්.
ඒකිනුත් පුළුවන් ද පාඩම් දෙන්න?
නැතුව. ඕකේ දිනුති ඉමායා ඊට පස්සේ විමාෂා
chat එකක් දෙන්න ඔබ බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක්.
හරි පුතේ ෂුවර් මම බැලුවා මම දැක්කේ නෑ නේ මොකද විශ්ිත දෙතලා. essays ලියලා reading දෙන්න පුළුවන් අනිවාර්යෙන් පුළුවන්. ෂුවර්.
CR එකේ නෙමෙයි දැන් spoken book එකේ.
අමන්නේ ඕන එකක් කරන්න ප්‍රශ්නේ. විරුදි start.
Okay, so morning walk is a good exercise for all. Many people who get up early in the morning go for a walk. Morning walk is the best exercise. It is very helpful for our health. It is improves our health. It is very helpful for our health. It as usual for the body as food. The fresh air is very useful for our lungs. We enjoy the beautiful scenery of the nature. The cool breeze refreshes us. We hear the creeping of the birds. We see the farmers plugging the fields. I am very fond of morning walk. I get up early in the morning. I go to the park every day. Finish.
Okay පුතා. Now Vimasha, Netmi, now Imaya. Now Imaya, Vimasha, Netmi, Tarushi. Imaya.
Okay, sir. I am sorry, I don't understand. Could you please repeat that? I am sorry, I don't understand. Could you please explain that? Do you care to elaborate on this? I am sorry, I didn't hear that. Could you please repeat? Could you say the again, please? I have to get going. It's
දැක
time
විරුදි.
for
සුවේ
me
පුතේ පුළුවන්.
to go. Thank you so much for your help. Got it, thanks. I think I have everything I need. Thank you. Finished, sir.
Okay පුතා very good. Now now Vimasha, just Netmi, Tarushi, Matila. Vimasha. Start with this start.
What are your favorite subjects? My favorite subject has always been English. I enjoy making up dialogue, having small group discussing, and even learning new phrases and grammar mathematical. I believe that foreign language makes your own one more expressive and flexible. Besides, I also like such subjects as mathematics, literature, and chemistry. Thank you.
Right. Now we now list again the Netmi.
Hidden beauties in India. India, the largest country in the South Asian region, is well known for its diversity in cultures. Great personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, and for places like Agra and the Himalayas. It is a less known fact that this subcontinent is also rich with a number of places with enchanting scenic beauty that attracts both local and foreign tourists. Finish, sir.
Okay පුතා. දැන් ඉන්නේ පුතේ තරුෂි. තරුෂිට පස්සේ
මං කියන්නද?
ඔව් මතිල පොඩි පුතේ.
උනාට පස්සේ මං කියන්නද?
හරි පුතේ ඔය කට්ටිය උනාට පස්සේ වර දෙන්නම්. හරි. Okay.
මට ටියුට් එක මම දැන් My class teacher is Mrs. Kanti. She
පුළුවන් පුතේ කතා කරන්න.
teaches English. She is very kind and clever. Our
Good.
class teacher is fair and pretty.
Mhm.
She wears beautiful saris. She has long hair. Our class teacher comes to school in the morning.
Mhm.
She keeps us happy. We are love her. Finish.
Okay පුතා. Now Matila, Tarusha, Netmi.
So Miss,
මට තියෙන ටියුට් එක මම දැම්මා.
පුතේ දැක්කයි මායා. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් රීඩින් දෙන්න පුතේ එකෙන්. ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. ඒක වැරද්දක් නැහැ.
මේ ඕකෙම වන් එක තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒක සර් කරන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. ඔය ටියුට් එක.
ඔයා ගාව තිබ්බට අනිත් අය ගාව නෑනේ.
ඉතින් සර් නැති වෙන විදියක් නැහැ. මම අර මේව ක්ලාස් එකේ මොනවද මේ ලියන ක්ලාස් එකේ ටියුට් ගන්නකොටම තමයි මට මිස් එක දුන්නේ.
මිස්ටර් මං හිතන්නේ දෙලා එක ඔයාලට දීලා තින්නේ ඕක ලොකු අයගේ එකක් කමක් නෑ දැන්. ඔව්. හරි පුතේ කමක් නෑ හරි.
ඕකේ.
Okay. Right. Then Mathila, Tarusha, Nedmi. Message එක ආපුවන් chance එක දෙන්න බය වෙන්න එපා.
may I speak now? So,
Yes, පුතා.
so may I speak now?
Sure. Why not?
An elephant. An elephant is a very fat animal. It has a heavy body. It lives for about 120 years. Its eyes are very small and it has a short tail with a tuft of hair at the end. The elephant has a long trunk and it uses it for drinking water. It has two large ears like big fans. The elephant loves to play in the water. The elephant eats grass, leaves, nuts, bananas, and bamboo. The man who looks after the elephant is called a mahout. Elephants live in jungles. The elephant is a very intelligent and obedient animal. Thank you.
Okay පුතා. next ඉන්න කවුද බලන්න මම දාලා දෙනවා Tarusha ඊට පස්සේ Nedmi ඊට පස්සේ Vimasha. ඕන එක දාලා
Can
තියෙන්නේ.
I speak now?
Sure පුතා start for sure.
My father tells me that the bicycle is the only vehicle that is good for the environment. Then I grow up, I want to have an art exhibition. The exhibition will have beautiful painting of my country. There will all be the paintings of the what I saw while I was cycled. Finish.
Okay පුතා Tarusha very good dah. Okay. Now Nedmi then Vimasha.
A day in the life of a newsreader. What is the life of a newsreader like, to say the least? It's hectic. I always work with tight deadlines, but I love the challenge it provides. I meet so many interesting people every day. I start my day at 7 in the morning and work till about 10 in the night. Most of the time, I am expected to be well dressed. Of all the work I do, breaking news is the most exciting time in my job. I get no breaks during breaking news. Sometimes I am given only half an hour to collect information and go live for the newscast. Editing and writing is done within a few seconds. I often have operators to work with extraordinary people. Politicians and celebrities are also interviewed by me with all this work. Sometimes the letters and emails sent to me are also answered by me. Every day is different and new to me. Thank you, sir. Sir, finish.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, now Vimasha, Matila, Imaya.
A visit to a zoo. A zoo is a place where the rare variety of birds, beasts, animals, and other creatures are kept. Who are keeping intact and looking after such animals and beasts whose species are being threatened. They teach the public about the delicate balance between animal species and their habitats. So, visiting a zoo gives the visitor not only fun but also knowledge about so many habits. Thank you.
Okay. Jadi sekarang wah speaker ini tuh taruh sudah kata kan identik kali. Let me.
Sir, mami speak kara.
හරි පුතේ එහෙනම් මේ කටිට පස්සේ දැන් එන ලිස්ට් එකේ ඉන්න ඊළඟට විමාශත් ෆිනිෂ් නිසා මතිල ඉමායා නෙත්මි තරුෂ.
May I speak next?
Now you can. Sure.
Let's protect water. Water is a gift of nature. All living beings need water. Water comes to the earth as rain. This rain fills wells, rivers, and oceans. Water quenches the thirst of all the living beings. It helps plants to grow. People use water for cooking, bathing, and washing. People and animals can live for a few days without food, but they can't live like that without water. Nowadays, people do not think much about water. They dirty the surfaces.
Sorry Buddha.
So the water gets polluted. This results in shortage of clean water for the people to drink. People fall ill when they drink polluted water. We all must protect water to be healthy and happy. Thank you.
Okay Buddha, very good. Now Imaya, Netmi, Tarusha, Vimasha. ඔය තමයි මට නම් වෙලා තිබු ලිස්ට් එක. ඊට පස්සේ ෆිනිෂ් කරන්න අපේ තරුෂිට එක chance එකක් දෙනවා නම් ඊට පස්සේ ෆිනිෂ් කරනවා. ඉක්මන් කරන්න මම.
Sir, what's the meaning adventure?
Adventure පුතේ අර වීර ක්‍රියා වීරක් දේවල්. Okay.
My favorite book is Madalduwa. It is novel written by famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later Upali becomes a kind, hard-working young man who helps people. I like this story is, but children like us, I like it very much. Thank you. Finish, sir.
Okay Buddha. Finish. Imaya finish. Imaya, are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Puta. Now let me
I am
me
finished.
Tarusha, Vimasha, then Matila.
Can I speak in, sir?
Start, Puta.
Athabasca Woods in Canada. Athabasca Woods in Jasper National Park in Canada is a powerful and picturesque waterfall. It's well known for its forests due to the large quantity of water along with sand rock falling into the gorge. There is a wonderful picnic area around this place. Finished, sir.
Okay, Puta. Now Tarusha, then Vimasha. Tarusha, you can start, Tarusha.
I am speak now.
Yeah, sure, Puta.
Yesterday was a very enjoyable day. Our family was at home as it was a holiday. I got up at 6:30 in the morning. We had a breakfast together. Then my sisters and I cleaned our room. We helped father to weed the garden too. Mother prepared a delicious meal and we enjoyed it. After lunch, we all watched a family movie. It was interesting adventure story. In the evening, father played badminton with us. Finish.
Okay, Puta, very good. Now Matila. Kuda kahan Pude. Now Matila, then Vimasha. Pude Vimasha, Matila, Imaya. ඊට පස්සේ තරුෂි රෙඩි නම් තරුෂිට chance එකක් දෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ finish කරනවා class එක. Okay.
A Day at the Beach by Hong Xiu.
Dinuti.
Last Saturday, it was a bright and sunny day. John and his family decided to go to the beach. They packed the beach toys and swimming costumes in a bag, other things in another bag. Then they put all the bags in the car boot. Then they headed to the beach. When they arrived at the beach, John and his sister were extremely excited. They quickly unpacked their things and changed into their swimming costumes. Then they ran towards the sea. In the way they saw many people building sand
Yes, Vimasha.
castles and some were sunbathing under the sun. Soon they reached the sea. They dived into the sea and swam. They felt extremely happy. After some time, they felt hungry. So they swam back to shore. They dashed back to the picnic mat. Their parents were listening to some music. They had an extremely wonderful day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, Puta. Now Matila.
May I speak now?
Sure.
Flamingos. Have you ever seen a flamingos? Flamingos are bright pink birds. They are water birds. They stand in the water on their long thin legs. They stand on one leg. Flamingos have pink feathers. They are pink because they eat shrimp. Shrimp are pink too. They pick up shrimp out of the water. Flamingos flock together to stay safe. They live on hot places. They like rivers and lakes. Flamingos can fly. Flamingos are good swimmers. They love the water. Thank you.
Okay, now Imaya.
Okay, sir. I can't believe tomorrow it's my last day here. Gronet Rachel Walker. She was stay for a week's holiday with a friend, Christy Ted, at the Tate's house in Weatherbury. The girls had so many adventures together. They knew it was going to be difficult to say goodbye. Finish, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Now Imaya.
Sir, Mama කියලා ඉවරයි.
Imaya finished the. එහෙනම් මතිලත් finish. හරි, තව කාට තරුෂි? තරුෂි පුළුවන්. තරුෂි පටන් ගන්න.
Sir, මං කියන්නද?
Sure.
My country is Sri Lanka. It is an inland in the Indian Ocean. It is known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. There are several communities in my country. There are the Sinhalese, the Tamils, the Muslims, and the Burghers. There is an agricultural country. Siri Jayawardhanapura Kotte is the capital of Sri Lanka. We have tropical weather all around the years. I love my country very much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, sure. කීප දෙනෙක්ට chance ගවනම් මම දෙනවා නවත්තන්න කලින්. හරි, එහෙනම් අපි අද නවත්තමුද? මොකද කරන්න ළමයි? You want a chance? Any of you? තව chance එකක් ඕනේ නවත්තනවද?
No, sir.
අනිත් අයටත් මොකද?
කියන්නද?
Okay, sure පුතේ.
සර් කවුද මුලින්ම?
Sorry.
සර් කවුද මුලින්ම?
ඔයා තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලම හැවිදේ.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I speak now?
Sure.
Sharks. Sharks have fins, sharp teeth, and they swim in the ocean. They have been around for a very long time. Sharks have lived in the oceans even before dinosaurs roamed the earth. Sharks are fish, and there are over 400 types of sharks. When they have babies, the babies are called pups. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Now who is next? කවුද ඊළඟට? තරුෂ ඕනම් පුළුවන් ඉමායා, විමාෂා, තරුෂි.
මම කියනවා.
හරි පුතේ.
Snakes. A lot of people are afraid
ඉමායට
of
පස්සේ
snakes. They think all snakes are ugly and want to hurt them. But this is wrong because some snakes are very beautiful and they don't usually hurt people. Snakes often live in the grass or in forests. Some of them eat mice. Some snakes can climb trees very quickly and they can swim in rivers. You must always be careful with snakes and you must never pick them up. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, Buddha. Now, kau chance now who is next? Chance kilo ne kau Vimasha
Sir,
ne?
I am
Okay, sure. Okay, sure.
Maya. Sir, Imaya mama chance එකක් කිව්වා.
Okay, sure. Maya start.
Storm, the lightning fairy can't stop the sky from fizzing without her guilty lightning feather. Rachel and Christy must lend a hand before a loose lightning bolt causes terrible trouble. Finish, sir.
Buddha.
Sir, then class එක ඉවරද?
ඒක තමයි පුතේ බැලුවේ.
I can speak now.
Sure. Sure, Buddha, start.
Food is an important part of our lives. There are 5 main nutrients in the food we eat. There are carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, protein and fat. Cereals like rice and the wheat and the yams like sweet potatoes and mango have carbohydrates. Whole food like milk, fish, egg, beans, dal and gram have potassium. Finish.
Okay, Buddha. Yes. Okay. Now finish කරනවද? leave වෙන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. Okay, sure. එහෙනම් අපි නවත්වමු අතර. එහෙනම් good night. See you next day ළමයි.
Okay, sir. Good night. See you
Okay,
next
bye.
day.
Good night, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Good night. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Buddha. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Good
Good night, sir.
Good night, Buddha. Okay, bye. Good night, Buddha.